Right, today we're going to be demonstrating how to export your Imprimo profile. We wanted to make it very easy for you to retain access to all of the data that you've inputted into your profile, assuming that some folks may not have kept backups off platform. So we made it as straightforward as we could. I'm going to demonstrate first by showing you how to export an artwork record. I'm going to click on the first one on my page here. I'm going to go over to this drop-down menu that says Downloads, and you can see four options here. Export CSV will give you the metadata of your artwork record in a easy-to-access file format called a .csv file. So I'm going to start by clicking that. You can see all of the artwork metadata here that will be exported, including that blockchain link. Some folks have had questions about whether that remains valid in the event of a shutdown. All the blockchain transactions are permanent, they're immutable, so they remain irrespective of Imprimo. The artwork metadata, the artist's name, and the date of registration is all encoded into that transaction. You can put that link on future platforms that you might use on your own personal websites. It's completely up to you. So all I'm going to do is press this export button. You can see it's appearing in my downloads bar. Next, we're going to export the artwork images. This will give you a zip file of all of the images that you've uploaded. Just click export here. You can see that going right into my downloads bar. You can also export the certificate of creation. Once the website goes offline, you won't have much use for the QR codes going forward. They won't redirect to the Imprimo page. Same goes for the QR code on the certificate, but the other information on the certificate remains valid. So if you want access to that, simply click, download certificate, and that's all yours. Moving on to the profile, click where you would edit your profile. Again, we have a .csv file. You're just going to click export.csv and hit the export button. A lot of you have expressed interest in the CV. I think quite a few of you might have used this tool before. We're just going to go over to CV, go to Manage CVs. I'll use my default CV as an example. You can obviously export as many of these as you wish. We give you a few different options. You can have a PDF or an editable docx file. That would open in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, any word processor. So I'll download both. Again, you can see those going into my downloads bar up there. Now I'm going to show you how to access these files. So I typically use Google Sheets. The principle will remain across any spreadsheet software that you might use, Excel, numbers, but for simplicity's sake, I'll show you how to do this using Google Sheets. We'll go into File, Import, go to Upload. You can drag or drop files. I find sometimes that can be a little bit finicky, so I'm going to click Browse. Here is my artwork CSV. I'm going to replace the spreadsheet, separator type, detect automatically. Not every platform will give you those options. If you're using Google Sheets, that's what I would recommend using. Click Import Data, and we have our first artwork CSV. Now, if you wanted to add multiple artwork CSVs to the same doc, I would just create a new tab, go to Import, go to Upload, select your artwork CSV, and in Google Sheets, if you don't want to create a new spreadsheet, we would just go Insert New Sheet. Again, separator type, detect automatically. And now you're starting to build out this doc of all of your artwork records from Imprimo. If you want to open your profile, same process. Go to Import, go to Upload, click your profile CSV, insert new sheet, import data, and we can see that's all of the information from my profile. So you can retain that for future access for your records for any other platforms you might use if you want to repeat the same information you've edited on Imprimo. To open the images, I'm going to go to my Finder. Now, I'm on a Mac. It might be slightly different for you if you're on a PC, but you want to go to the folder where your downloads from your browser go. I'm going to click images.zip, and you can see right there is the image I downloaded from Imprimo. So that is how to export your Imprimo profile. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our team at info@imprimo.art. We're more than happy to get on a quick call with you and walk you through this process. Thanks again for being part of this project and being part of such a great community. Have a great day.